Hey guys, it's Vincent Oquendo here, and I wanted to show you all my favorite concealer tricks, what I use on my clients and what I use on myself when I'm gonna do some on-camera stuff. So my favorite concealer is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Check it out, check it out. I usually always have two colors because I like to sort of highlight underneath my eyes and then sculpt my face with concealer. I use this trick on my clients as well. So I wanna show you some of the ways that I prep and I start the makeup process, especially around the eyes. So first, just because in the age of everything that's happening right now, for the sake of being sanitary and everything, I'm gonna use the Byredo hand sanitizer. This is the Byredo hand wash in Rose. It smells really yummy, and it's great to sanitize before we get started. So, done and done. Then I'm gonna put a drop of Lumify in each eye right before we get started, so it brightens the eyes. They're redness relieving eye drops, so it's perfect. Then I'm going to, shall we get started? I'm gonna get started on the eyes, so I'm gonna use the Maybelline Goods. This is the Revitalizing Eye Gel. So I'm gonna take a little pump of that. I'm gonna use my ring finger, and I'm gonna lightly press that around my eyes. And you can use your favorite lightweight moisturizer on the rest of your face, but I'm just gonna really focus on the eyes today because I really want your eyes to pop, especially when you're wearing a mask. I want your eyes to really look radiant and look their best. So, moving on to Instant Age Rewind. So this color is golden. So what I'm gonna do is you wanna just activate it. You can tell I like this color, she's been used. So you wanna go chin down and just lightly pump it around your eyes. Yeah, I said pump it. I've been in quarantine too long and I pump my eyes now apparently. So you have the blender right on top of your concealer, so there's no need to touch your face. All the stuff that I'm gonna do today, all the tips that I'm gonna show you is so you don't have to touch your face a whole lot. So you're gonna put that on. I go right up here on your brow bone. And now I'm gonna take my deeper color, it's called Tan, and I'm gonna go right here. Right underneath, and I'm gonna bring it up. And you can feel free to warm up all around here. So you can really give yourself a sculpt and warm yourself up. Then I'm gonna take my spongy and I'm gonna take the Dream BB Fresh. This is 130 medium deep. So you wanna take a little bit of that. You're gonna take that on your wet sponge and you're just gonna press it right over. And I love a sponge that has a little tip like this because you can really get in there and blend everything. So you're just gonna blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. It's mostly blended already because the Instant Age Rewind has that sponge, so it does most of my blending for me before I even put on my BB cream. I love a BB cream, especially in the summer, because it's super light on the skin. You can really see the pores. And it doesn't feel like you're wearing a lot of makeup. And it's not gonna transfer all over the place because it's so lightweight. There's almost not much on there, so you're never gonna look heavy. And it's really glowy. I love a good glowy skin, no matter what the season. So now I'm gonna finish up my look with the Maybelline Lasting Fix. This is the new banana powder. I'm going to, you see, you have that little inside, so I'm gonna tap out a little bit into my lid, and I'm gonna take I have a pointed fluffy brush. You could use a blush brush or a pointed fluffy brush, whatever you want. Doesn't have a whole lot of color. And I'm just gonna set my concealer. Little extra. Because it's a loose powder, it's really lightweight, so it's not gonna weigh down your skin. Last but not least, I'm gonna take the Maybelline glass spray to set, and I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, and we're done. So when you wanna look up close, you wanna just make sure that you don't have any lines, or anything that's still not blended. You can take the other side of your sponge and just kind of go over everything if you need to. And it just gives you that gorgeous, perfected skin look, but it still looks like skin. It still looks like you, and especially if you're setting it, it's gonna last all day, which is great, and you're not gonna get that transfer onto your mask. So if you are looking for a tip as well, that you wanted something more water resistant and really long wearing, the Maybelline Super Stay, this is my favorite recommendation. So you have a little something for everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and I cannot wait to see what you do. Bye guys.